my god. Primark haul. I spent the grand price of I was feeling spendy that day, bloody hell. £229.90. I literally feel like I bought everything on the shelf, dying to try some of these products out. So I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna stop faffing, let's go through them and let's get started. When it comes to getting glam fast, one product that I absolutely adore is false nails. These are the PS Almond 24 nails with adhesive in New Nude, and they cost £1. Half the time if I'm gluing false nails on, it's when I'm sat in the back of a taxi on my way to an event. No, I am not perpetually just like, I woke up like this. I'm like the one that's like half dragged out of the back of a cab, look like I've been dragged out of a bush. Literally drive me insane sometimes when I'm trying to type, put a small amount of glue on so I can literally just whip them off if I need to. They do not look like a £1 nail set, they just look like some super shiny nail polish. I bought two different primers to test out. The PHR Perform, Hydrate and Recover. The PS Instagirl #selfie ready Blur Primer. Smooth skin for a flawless foundation application. I am so all about that flawless foundation life. I'm just gonna take some of that onto the back of my hand. Let's go. Oh, okay, so it feels quite smooth so far. Doesn't feel like it clogging or it's really thick. That feels all right actually. I've got a brand new foundation. I've never used it. It is the PS My Perfect Color Velvet Finish Foundation. Customizable coverage, second skin effect, and it has an SPF of 30. I have the shade Porcelain, Ivory, and Cool Sand. I have no idea which shade I am, so let's do some swatches and let's find out. I'm actually going to go for Ivory today. I'm going to take one little squeeze of that foundation and just dispense that onto the back of my hand like so. And first of all, I'm going to apply it onto the side with no primer. Moment of truth, let's blend it out. That is really, really thick. It's just kind of highlighted all of the texture on my skin. I think I'm gonna go old school and just go for a latex sponge. That is not a good look. And even when I bounce it out, you can just see it picking up every single bit of texture on my face. Okay, we've definitely got some serious cracking happening in my smile lines. That is like wrinkle central right now. This should not be this bad. I am primed, I am like hydrated, I am applying it, I am bouncing it, I am blending it. There is no reason for it to look this bloody cakey on my skin. Is it just me or am I getting more orange? It's so bad. The most expensive product from my entire haul, the Kim Kardashian style dupe, the PS Nudes Highlight and Contour Kit. And this retails for £8. We get the Contour Stick Duo, Highlight Stick Duo, Brow Highlighter, and Blender Duo. Right, let's just go for it. Let's just do it. Oh, that came out quite strong. And now we blend. All right, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. And we have reached mud. I'm not feeling the sponge and I'm not feeling that contour, so I'm going to go back to my other kind of disposable sponge that I used for foundation and let's try and blend it out this way. You can definitely see where that contour has been applied. However, it does fall into the kind of slightly on the orange / muddy territory. I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna try and add some highlights to my skin. Okay, we are definitely gonna have a bad time with this. Or maybe not. Okay, on second thought, now that I've zoomed out, it doesn't actually look that bad. It's definitely come up lighter on camera than it is in real life. Now to blend that out, I'm actually going to use the brush side, and let's just hope that this does a better job than the sponge. That actually looks pretty good. I don't think it looks that bad. I actually think that highlighter's done quite a good job. The final product in our Kim K inspired nudes collection is the brow highlight. And to blend out, I have the PS Instagirl Insta Fix concealer brush, and this was £3. I feel like we have a contender for the worst face of makeup I've ever applied on camera. I have that early 2000s white brow bone highlight going on, look. For my brows today, I have a choice of 3 different products. Iconic Brow Pomade and Angled Brush Skinny Brow Pencil, PS Brow Gel in the shade Cool Brown. I did also purchase the PS Angled Brow Brush. This was £1 bargain. Let's brush through those brows. Get them all looking red carpet fashion brows. Ooh, I found something I like. That actually looks really good. This is filling in my brow like an absolute dream. When I've done my eyeshadow and I put on some mascara, I think those brows will kind of blend into my face more. Maybe they're a grower. Why is it so dark? I'm leaving those brows there. If I do any more, I will literally end up with 2 hedges across my face. I've got a few different eyeshadow options to choose from today. PS Eye Candy Eye Metallic Collection in the shade Bronze, an eyeliner, a brush, and a cream eyeshadow for £3. That is crazy. A bunch of eyeshadow singles, and these were only 60p each. Probably one of the most affordable single eyeshadows like ever. We also have the PS Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. Is that the same bronze that I bought in a single? I swear that's like the same eyeshadow color. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna go for the cream shadow. If it doesn't work, then I can always top it up with a powder on top. Oh no, I feel bad for being mean. It actually looks really pretty. Definitely best purchase of the day. Hasn't let us down so far. Don't let me down now. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty. It would look a lot better with a matte shade underneath, but how good does that look, guys, for £3? You can clearly see a difference between eyeliner and no eyeliner. It's a very easy way to take it from day to night, but I have used a hell of a lot of it and it needs sharpening already. For lashes today, we have the PS Instagirl Mascara. Gradually tints bare lashes over time with daily use. Instantly boosts the volume of lashes for a standout look. Pretty damn impressive for £4. If somebody had put that on me and then told me it was a £4 Primark mascara, I would never have guessed. To set my base today, we have a choice of 2 different powders. We have the Instagirl Flash Photo Powder, and this is a translucent powder with light reflecting blue pigments for photo ready skin, and this was £2.50. The other option we have is the PS Instagirl Rice Powder, loose powder to set makeup and absorb oil. Wow, that is so light. I'm trying to work out, is that what talc smells like, or is that the perfume? Moving on to blush, and I have the PS Pure Blush Palette, and this is blatantly homage to Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I think I'm just going to play it straight and go for this shade here, which is called In the Pink. And I'm just going to use that same brush that I used for my powder. That was too much. Oh, panic over. Gonna leave that there. Ooh, I just swatched that on the back of my hands, just literally just trying to wipe it off my finger, and that is so pretty. I'm actually going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes. I did also purchase the Pure Glow highlighting palette as well. Desert, Glimmer, Eden, and Firefly. I actually think I'm going to go for the shade Glimmer today. That seems like quite a nice gold. I'm going to take the other end of that double-sided brush from Primark. Oh, I didn't tell you what this was. This was the Angled and Tapered Powder Brush, and it was £2.50. Bloody hell, I was not expecting that to be that bright. That's amazing. The only thing we've got left to do is finish up our lips. I've got the PS Nudes Lip Collection, which is a matte liquid lipstick and lip liner, high shine lip gloss and lip in the shades Mesmerize. PS Get Lippy Matte Collection, Girls World. Let's just go for Thrill Seeker. I'm totally feeling this one. Yeah. Oh, that lip liner was so dry. I feel like that's a little bit too orange for me. I could actually buy another lip liner. PS Instagirl Kiss Proof Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Selfie. I'm gonna take that and lay it over the top. That's much better. Although I am now putting a dry mauve pencil over a dry orange pencil over a dry matte liquid lipstick over my dry lips. I need to put lip balm on. Sorry guys, I know it's not Primark, but I massively need to put lip balm on. Out of all of the products that I tried and tested in today's video, I would say that my must-haves and the ones that you should be looking out for are these. We've got the Lash Ink Mascara for less than a £5. I think that mascara looks so freaking good. The iconic brow pomade. Now that I've done my eyeshadow, I've got my mascara on, I've got some lipstick on, I'm actually really feeling those slug brows. Pure Glow highlighting palette. So vibrant, so highlighting, so blinding, and yeah, £5 must have, bargain. Favorite product that I tried today has to be the Eye Candy Metallic Eye Collection Bronze Eyeshadow. One eyeshadow, a pencil, and a brush is all you need. I do have mascara on my eyelids. Oops, never mind. To me, the positive definitely outweighs the negative, and I'm super impressed with some of these products today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections down below. Which products did you hate? Which products did you love? What did you think of the finished look? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see some more first impressions videos, you can click here or here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!